Hi, welcome back to Rachna's Artistry. Today we have this coaster and I have already base coated the coaster with black acrylic paint. So we can now work our design on it. So let's begin. We have to find the center of this coaster. So I will mark the center points vertically and horizontally. Vertically, I will mark the center point at 2 inches and horizontally at 2 inches. Now let's draw two lines, one vertical, one horizontal. Both the lines have to pass through these points we just marked. Here we have the accurate center point now. Next, I'll be using the stencil and marking the other lines. Stencil helps to mark the grid lines very easily and saves a lot of time. We can also mark the circle using this. However, I won't be doing that. I will draw the circles using the compass and the pencil. Let me just join the lines through the center point. Now using the compass and the pencil, I will draw the circles. I will begin with the outermost circle. Now we have our grid ready. We have orange, pink, white and sky blue colors to work with. I will use a purple dowel and first place a pink dot in the center. Next, using the yellow dotting tool, I will place orange dots around the pink dots. Next, I'll be using the other end of the same dotting tool and placing white dots in between two orange dots in a circle. Next, using a dowel, I will place sky blue dots on alternate lines in the next circle. And using the same yellow dotting tool, I will place pink dots around the sky blue dots. The first dot I will place in the center, just above the blue dot, and keep dabbing the tool around the sides of the blue dot. So dots gradually decrease in size and it gives a petaled look. Next round I will work in the same pattern using slightly bigger dotting tool and orange paint. First dot in the center and then keep dabbing the tool around the sides of the previous circle. Now repeat the same pattern using white paint and yet bigger tool. Next, using a dowel, let's place orange dots between the petals. And using the same yellow dotting tool, place pink dots around the orange dot in petaled format. Next, we are using blue dotting tool and placing blue dots in the same pattern. Next, I will use a towel and place white dot in a circle over the outline circle that I drew. Next, using a purple dowel, I will place pink dots in between the petals. And using a dowel, I will place orange dots in the next circle, a orange dot in between two white dots. Do not worry if the dots don't fall exact in the center of the two white dots. It's completely okay. You can just continue. Next, there is something interesting. I will use the swipes around the dots on both sides. I will place a dot using dotting tool and just slide the tool towards the base of the dot. So just place the dot and slide. Place the dot and slide. Next, I will use a bigger dowel and place sky blue dots on the outermost line. If you want more such videos, do not forget to hit the bell icon. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Tada! Our design is ready and it's so pretty. Hope you like the video.